You grab your keys. Instantly, your dog's eyes snap open, panic mode. As you head for the door, your loyal shadow whines, clinging to your heels. You try to reassure them, "I'll be back soon, buddy." But your voice betrays you. The second the door shuts, the real drama begins. Frantic scratching, desperate barking, and a guilt trip you can feel from the driveway. You imagine your dog, convinced you're gone forever, spiraling into distress. Every trip out becomes a cycle. Guilt for you, terror for your dog, and chaos for your home. Maybe you return to chewed shoes or a puddle on the carpet. It's not spite. It's not naughtiness. It's fear. Pure, overwhelming panic. What you're seeing isn't bad behavior. It's a panic attack in a fur coat. You're not alone in this struggle, and there are real ways to help your best friend feel safe. It's not about a quick fix. It's about understanding what's happening in their mind. With the right approach, you can break the cycle. Let's start by understanding what separation anxiety really is. Because your dog deserves peace, and so do you. Separation anxiety isn't your dog being spiteful. When you come home to shredded papers or a guilty face, it's not revenge, it's panic. Your dog isn't punishing you. They're having a genuine anxiety attack because their world, you, disappeared. For them, your absence feels like a crisis, not a minor inconvenience. Their brain floods with stress hormones, and logic goes out the window. They don't know you'll be back in 20 minutes. They think you're gone forever. The destruction, the barking, the accidents, it's all desperate coping, not rebellion. This isn't a behavior problem, it's an emotional disorder like a phobia. Punishing anxiety only makes it worse, adding fear to confusion. The first step is empathy. See the mess as a cry for help, not defiance. When you shift from frustration to understanding, you become your dog's partner in overcoming fear. Training only works when delivered with patience and calm. Your dog needs a confident leader to show them being alone is okay, and that starts with you. How do you know if it's true separation anxiety? The signs are hard to miss. The most obvious, relentless barking or howling the moment you leave. Then comes destruction. Chewed doors, shredded cushions, anything near an exit. It's not random. It's a frantic escape attempt. Accidents in the house, even from a house-trained dog, are another red flag. Stress, not spite. Some dogs pace, drool, or pant excessively, or greet you with wild, frantic energy. Others try to block you from leaving, agitated by your departure routine. All these behaviors are desperate signals. Your dog is not okay alone. Recognizing these signs is the first step to helping them. Why do some dogs panic while others chill? It's rarely just one thing. Major life changes, moving, new schedules, loss of a family member or pet, can trigger anxiety. Rescue dogs often carry baggage from past abandonment or instability, making them extra clingy. Pandemic pups used to constant company may never have learned to be alone. Too much attachment and lack of routine can also fuel anxiety. If every goodbye is dramatic, you're reinforcing their fear. Dogs need structure and a sense of independence to feel secure. A little healthy distance is a gift you can give your dog. If you're finding these tips helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more dog care advice, and share this video with fellow dog lovers. Your support helps us reach more pups and their people. Thanks for being part of our community. Here's how to help your dog feel safe alone. Start with gradual desensitization. Pick up your keys, then reward calmness. Repeat until it's no big deal. Walk to the door, touch the handle, then return and play. Break the link between your cues and their panic. Build a calming pre-departure routine. Puzzle toys, long-lasting chews, or snuffle mats to keep their mind busy. Create a safe zone, a comfy bed, special toys, maybe a shirt that smells like you. Make it their sanctuary. Play calming music or white noise to soothe them. Make exits and entrances boring. No dramatic goodbyes or excited greetings. When you leave, just go. When you return, wait until your dog is calm before giving attention. You're teaching them that your comings and goings are normal, not a crisis. Consistency is key. Repeat these steps every day. Celebrate small wins. A calm minute alone is progress. Over time, your dog will learn that being alone isn't scary. Patience and routine are your best tools. You're not just saving your furniture, you're giving your dog peace of mind. And that's the real reward. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, your dog's anxiety is just too much. If they're hurting themselves, destroying your home, or not improving, it's time to get help. Start with your vet. Rule out medical issues and discuss options like anti-anxiety medication. Medication isn't a cure, but it can lower panic enough for training to work. Consider a certified trainer or veterinary behaviorist for a tailored plan. Professional help isn't failure, it's commitment to your dog's well-being. Severe cases need expert support, and that's okay. You and your dog deserve relief. Managing separation anxiety is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks and victories. Celebrate every small win. Success might be a calm minute alone, not a full afternoon. You're rewiring your dog's emotional response, and that takes time. The goal isn't just a tidy house, it's a peaceful, confident dog. Your effort now means a lifetime of well-being for your best friend. Take a breath. You can do this. With patience and empathy, you'll turn those heartbreaking goodbyes into calm, everyday moments. Your dog will learn to relax, and your home will feel peaceful again. The journey is worth it, for both of you. Thanks for watching. We hope you and your pup found this helpful. Subscribe for more expert tips on canine care. Share your dog's story in the comments. Your experience could help someone else. And check the description for trusted resources to help your furry friend. See you in the next video.